tomorrow's victory is in today's practice. So, if you want to be an excellent developer, practice hard today. Newton will help you to practice. We will come up with a new practice session on Python every Saturday. So, let's start practicing. In today's session, we will write different programs to swap two numbers. So, precisely what is swapping? Swapping means taking the value from the variable A to variable B and vice versa. For a moment, forget about programming. Just assume we have two containers, A and B. And now, we need to take the content of A into B and vice versa. So, what we will do? We will take the third container, call it C. And then, we will put the content of A into C. Now, we will put the content of B into A. Finally, the content of C into B. You see, the contents are swapped. Let's implement the same logic in programming. First, we will accept the input in variable x and y and convert them into an integer like this. Now, we will store the value of x in variable temp, then the value of y in x, then finally value of temp into variable y. Then print the result using print statement. Let's run the program. Enter the input as 10 and 20. Well, you got the swap values. Please run the program with different inputs and check it. This program of swapping is easy. In university and college exams, we often get this program, but there is always a twist. Exams have the questions to swap the two numbers without using a temp variable. How to do that? Let's see. We will take an input in variable x and y and convert them into an integer like this. Now, we will write x equal to x plus y. If our input is 10 and 20, the value of x will become 30 and the value of y will remain as 20. Then we will write y equal to x minus y. Now, the value of y will become 10 and the value of x will remain 30. Then we will write x equal to x minus y, that is 30 minus 10. So, the value of x will become 20. Print the value of x and y like this. Run the code and enter the value as 10 and 20. Well, we got the correct output. To summarize, we studied two methods to swap two numbers in Python. One using temp variable and other without using temp variable. But Python offers one more super easy way to swap numbers. Just accept the number using input statement like this in variable x and y. Then write x comma y equals to y comma x and print the output as in our earlier program. Run the program and enter the input as 4 and 9. Well, we got the perfect output. So, in today's practice session, we studied three different methods to swap two numbers. Hope you learned something new today. Again, keep practicing. We will have more practice session every Saturday. If you don't want to miss any practice session, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time.